How to create an empty string in Python. In Python, you can create an empty string by using single quotes, double quotes, or str built-in function. Usually, the quotes are used to enclose a sequence of characters and define a string literal. But if you do not specify any sequence of character and just give the empty single quotes or double quotes, then it creates an empty string. You can assign it to a variable and then print it to the output, or find its length and check it out to be 0. Also, str built-in function is used to convert values of other data types to string type. So if you do not give any argument to the str built-in function, then it just returns an empty string. Now let us see an example where we create empty strings using single quotes and then using double quotes, and then we shall use str built-in function. Let us just print the length of these strings to the output, or type of these values to the output, and verify that they are of length 0 and they are all of type str string. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.